friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking bone-in chicken thighs in the air fryer. So what we need is bone-in chicken thighs and spices. I will use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and you can use any seasonings you'd like. So first I'm going to sprinkle chicken with seasonings. And then turn the chicken over and season the other side. And also you can rub the seasoning in to distribute it more evenly. So I'll flip it over and season the other side. So now I'm going to take out the air fryer basket and put chicken in the air fryer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 385 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 30 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to flip the chicken over. It already looks so good. So let's just flip it over so it browns evenly. And put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the chicken thighs. Look at that, they're perfectly cooked. They look amazing, so nicely browned. Now, if you'd like, you can check the internal temperature. It should be at least 170 degrees Fahrenheit for a bone-in skin-on chicken thighs. Yeah, that's over 170 degrees Fahrenheit, so they're fully cooked. And if yours are somehow not cooked, just put them back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes. So let me take them out of the air fryer. Amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. So juicy, see the juice? So tender, and the meat is so moist and the skin is crispy. Now let's try it. The meat is so tender. You're going to love making these chicken thighs in the air fryer. Crispy skin, juicy, tender meat. Perfect and so easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!